If you are given the area of a square, then you would simply take the square root to find the length of one side. Example, a square rug is about 56 inches squared. About how long is each side? So we would simply take the square root of 56, which is about 7.483. And then it tells us to round to the nearest tenth. The tenth is the first number after the decimal. So we look at the number that comes after it, which is the 8. And if it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then we add 1 to the tenths place. So the 7.483 is going to become 7.5 because the 8 is 5 or larger. And we should say 7.5 inches because we're measuring a distance. The next one is the area of a square park is 25 over 49 miles squared. How long is each side? Well, what we do, hopefully remember this from a prior video, is we take the square root of the top, the numerator, and the square root of the bottom, or the denominator. And the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 49 is 7. So this would be 5/7 of a mile for each side of the square park. And the last one here has a couple of parts to it. So Mr. D wants to make a frame for a square painting that is 225 square inches. The framing material is $3.50 per inch. What is the total cost? So inside of this square frame is 225 inches, square inches. So we take the square root of 225 to find out how long one side is. And that would be 15. So each side of this square is 15 inches long. And we want to find the perimeter all the way around it. The distance all the way around it would be 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, which is 60. Each one of these is 15. So the total distance around it, or total framing needed, is 60. And we're going to do 60 then times the cost, which is $3.50 per inch. So 60 times 3.50 is $210. And that would be the total cost to make this frame.